The story of electricity is a fascinating journey that spans several centuries and involves numerous inventors and scientists. Two prominent figures in this narrative are Benjamin Franklin and Nikola Tesla, who made significant contributions to the understanding and utilization of electricity. Let's explore their roles and their impact on the history of electricity. Benjamin Franklin, an American polymath and one of the founding fathers of the United States, played a crucial role in understanding the nature of electricity in the 18th century. He is famously known for his kite experiment in 1752, where he flew a kite during a thunderstorm to demonstrate that lightning is a form of electricity. By attaching a metal key to the kite's string and observing the sparks that jumped from the key to his hand, Franklin provided evidence for the electrical nature of lightning. This experiment led to his development of the lightning rod, a device used to protect buildings from lightning strikes. Franklin's discoveries about electricity were documented in his book, Experiments and Observations on Electricity, 1751, which became a significant resource for future scientists studying electricity. He introduced the concepts of positive and negative charges, as well as the idea that electricity could be conducted through conductive materials. Franklin's work laid the foundation for further advancements in the field. Moving forward to the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Nikola Tesla, a Serbian-American inventor and electrical engineer, made groundbreaking contributions to the practical application of electricity. Tesla's work was instrumental in the development of alternating current, AC, power systems, which are widely used today. Tesla's most significant achievement was his invention of the induction motor, a device that revolutionized the distribution and transmission of electrical power. Unlike direct current, DC, motors, which were commonly used at the time, Tesla's induction motor operated on AC, making it more efficient and practical for large-scale power generation and transmission. This laid the foundation for the modern electrical power industry. Furthermore, Tesla's work on AC power systems led to the development of the war of currents between him and Thomas Edison. Edison advocated for the use of DC power, while Tesla championed AC power. The rivalry between the two inventors became legendary, with Tesla eventually winning the battle as AC power systems proved more efficient for long-distance power transmission. Tesla's contributions extended beyond AC power systems. He invented numerous devices and technologies, including the Tesla coil, a high-voltage transformer that is still used in various applications today. He also conducted experiments on wireless power transmission and explored the possibilities of harnessing energy from the Earth's atmosphere, envisioning a future of wireless communication and free energy for all. In summary, Benjamin Franklin and Nikola Tesla played vital roles in the story of electricity. Franklin's experiments and discoveries laid the groundwork for understanding electricity, while Tesla's inventions and innovations, particularly in AC power systems, revolutionized the generation and transmission of electrical power. Their contributions continue to shape the modern world and have made electricity an essential part of our daily lives.